Okay, so looking at how to add new products or to edit existing products on your website. So the first thing you will do is that you log in by putting in your username and then the password. And so the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see this screen. So this screen is the dashboard. Now you can see on the left hand side, you see some menus that are right here. Now check out for products, since that is exactly where that's what we are talking about. So we have two options right here. We have all products and we have new. So if you want to edit existing products, you click on this all products. So when you click on this all products, it will take you to this particular screen, or this particular, okay, you see this particular screen. So you can see some of the products that have been created. So we have so many of them. Now let's now assume that we want to edit this particular one, which is mustard cotton t-shirt yarn. Okay, so I want you to also note that there are different kinds of products that are created here. I will let you know in a short while the difference between how it's created and how you edit. So to edit this particular one, which is this mustard cotton t-shirt yarn, you click on edit. Okay, so when you click on edit, the page will load and you're going to see this. So this is what is going to show when you click on that. So here you have the mustard cotton t-shirt yarn. So perhaps you don't need to go to this. The next place you go to straight is you scroll down and you will see this caption here, which is product data. So you can see variable product. So this particular product is a variable product. So I will help you to understand what a variable product is very soon. So from this, you're going to click on attributes. So when you click on attributes, now it's a variable product because this particular product has we have several parameters. Now here we have a parameter called thread, and under this thread we created three different values for it. So we have thread 1, thread 2, thread 3. Now I don't think you maybe you don't want to edit this, but this is just to tell you that this is a variable product. We can have several attributes in this particular product. We can have thread, we can have color, we can have size, and each of them will have several variations. Okay, so you can move on to variations. Now that's where the actual editing will take place. Here we have thread 1, we have thread 2, thread 3. So under thread 1, you can click on this arrow pointing downwards, and here you can see this is the product, and then you have the price. So if you want to change the price, all you need to do is just to click on it and you clear and put in the figure that you want. Then if it has a decimal, you put the decimal there. And then we have the weight. If you want to edit the weight, you have the dimension. If you want to edit the dimension, if you have a particular description for it, you add the description for it. So when you are done with that, you can collapse the button, then you can click on the next one. You edit as you want. If you have it in stock, you put that it's in stock. If it's out of stock, put that it's out of stock. And so when you're done, you'll find out that this place has highlighted. It will be highlighted when you've made a change, but because we didn't make any change, that's why it's not highlighted. So when it's highlighted, you click on save changes and it gets saved. So you may not need to bother with all of this, except you want to add a product description. We have a short product description there. Okay. Then if you want to edit, there is this particular place which is on the product image. The product image. So this is the image that you see on the front page. So for example, I want to look at the products, that will be shown on the front page, the one that has been selected to show on the front page. So while that is loading, so if you want to maybe change this product image, you click on the image itself, and when it loads, you will see the images that have been uploaded on the site. If these are the images, when it loads, you see it. So if these are the images that you want, you only select the one you want, and then you click on set product image. And if it is not, you can go to upload. You can upload the file by just dragging the image here, and then it gets uploaded on the site straight. Or you can select files. When you select the file, then you set the product image. But as the case is, we are not changing that. So now the next thing now is that, so if you look at this product category, like this is the third aspect, the product category, we have several categories that were made. We have all these categories on categorized accessories. So most of these products have been all these products here have been categorized. They have been put in one category or the other. So this particular product is under the category t-shirt yarns, and is under a subcategory cotton. And take note that the main category is the primary, while this is the secondary. So when you've edited and you are satisfied, you click on update and it gets updated. Okay, so we go to the home page and we'll see what is there. So look at this, the place where I showed you, that's where you're going to see these images. So that is, if you select a new image from here, we are expected to see it somewhere up here, and you also make it a featured image. The reason why all these images are seen is because they've been set as featured images. Okay, so that's that about editing a variable product. So it's a variable product because it has attributes. Now let's look at another product that doesn't have an attribute. So going to all the product page, I can scroll down. So all of these, as you see them, have attributes. Look at the price range. Okay, so I'm going to check this particular one, which is shining yarn. Okay, oh, this is also a variable color. This is already a variable color. Okay, let's just look at what the variable color looks like. So we have, go to the variable products, click on the variation. Okay, click on the attributes, you can see color. So for the color, you can see the several colors that we have, and each of them must be separated by this slash. So that you can see it. And mind you that you are supposed to keep it on used for variations. Okay, I don't want it visible on the product page. I want you to be used for variations. So, and then you click on save. Now let me assume that I don't want it as a variable product. I want it to be a simple product. Like there are no variations, no difference in color or size. I can click on simple. So you put the regular price, that is the price that you want to see, you want to be displayed on the page. That's what you put here. Then you can leave this, but if you have another price, you want one to be removed, you want the regular price to be removed, then this is the price you want to show, you put it there. Then you don't need to bother about any of this. You don't need to bother about any of that. So, but in this particular case, our product is a variable case, and then every other thing remains the same. The product image, you have your categories selected, and on like that. So you update if you made any major change. Now let's say that you want to add a new product. So how do you do that? You can get that by going to the left menus, menus, and then you see the add new. When you click on add new, you're going to see a blank page where you can put your whatever you want there, or you can also go up here and you can see new products. You click on the products and then you can add the product that you want. So you can put the name. So you can put the name of the product that you want. If you want a long description for it, you put the long description here. Then you scroll down right here where you have your product data. You can put, if it's a simple product, it's a variable product, you can put it in just as we have mentioned, and then you can come over here. You can come over here and set your product image. That's the product that you want to see on the front page, and then you can choose the category that you want, and then you click on publish. So that's about that. Now if you want to make a product to show on the front page, you can see all you need to do is to click on one of these arrows. So this arrow has been clicked on, so it's going to be seen on the product on the front page, or wherever it has been set. Likewise, so you can see these ones have not been clicked on, so it's not going to show right there.